I'll be showing you a quick video on how to insert shapes in your Google Docs file. Open up Google Docs interface containing the document you want to insert shapes in. Click on the Insert tab at the top here. Select Drawing and click on New. Once it's opened up, you click on the Shape option, then you select Shapes. Here you can choose whatever shapes you want. Now you move your mouse, click on it and draw whatever shape you want. You can make it whatever size you want. You can adjust the size, you can increase it. You can also add another shapes inside of it. Just select the other shape you want. And you make the adjustments. Once you're done with your selections and inserting of shape, you click the Save and Close button here. Now, your shapes have been inserted into your Google Doc file and it appears here. So, that's all for the video. Like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more contents. Bye guys, see you next time.